In this video, we will learn how to use hyperlink in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. You can see here sign of the insert link. Here mention the insert link and in Excel mention the hyperlink. This hyperlink you can use for the website, the different sheet and range of cell. First we are going to use for website. If I write here the Google and press the Ctrl plus K and write here website address, okay, and click on the apply. When you click on keep cursor on this link, you get here the website by clicking on the link. You can see here the Google page is open. Second way you can use for the sheet, uh, just I write the sales data and click on press the Ctrl plus K and select the sales data. That's it. When you click keep cursor on that, click on the sales data. You can see here the cell data sheet is opened. This is a link you can use for sheet wise. You can now we will see the range wise hyperlink use. So select the cell. I just write here data and press the Ctrl plus K. Okay, now you can see here the sheet and name range. Click on that. You get here option select the range of cells to link. Okay, then select the range. I just select this range A9 to C16. Okay, then click on, you can see here A9 to C16 is selected. Click on OK, and when you keep cursor on that, you can see here the sheet A9 to 16. Just click on that. You can see here the selected range is show. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.